March 31st, 11 a.m., 2026, Unit 88, Harvest Lane, Charlotte. Move out renovation. And a small tear in the screen door mesh. Also missing the closing kit. And stains in the carpets. Some I don't think will come up. Needs to be checked out. The color's interactive cream. Markers on the wall. Wall's going to need to be fully painted. Hairline crack in the wall. Have no power to check any appliances. The patio blind is missing 3 of the blades, and 1 blade is cracked. Small crack in the hallway door. Door's the bedroom. There's stains in the carpet. No trash out needed. Another crack in the door.